just grew with his absence for maybe, I'll say, like 11 or 12 years, not having so many news about it. In the end of my period as a child, as a teenager, I have the chance to spend some time with him, with my father, before I was 18 years old, considering like a man. So I lived together with him and his own family. I have two more brothers and one more sister from that second marriage of my father. So we spent a couple of years living together. My father is not with us anymore, but he was a really football passionate fan, crazy about football. And I don't know exactly why, but he was the one who pushed me to consider the possibility to be a coach. At that time, I'm still hoping to be a good football player, which I was not even close. I managed to play some games in a semi-professional league, but I used to be quite honest with myself, and even at that time, and I realized that I'm not going to make it as a professional football player, so I want to continue around the game. Obviously, you explore some other options, you have some other experience. At the same time, I have the opportunity to help my father in his own company at that time and see if I want to follow his steps. But it was quick for me to realize that is not what I want to be, the space where I want to spend my own life. So yeah, I think little by little I realized that I could help people to improve, to be, first of all, to be better persons, and little by little to be also good footballers. I really loved the complexity of the game, the internal logic of the game. It's something that becomes really, really attractive for me to try to navigate in that chaos, in something really abstract like football, or at least is the way that I see it. It's a kind of a addiction, and that's what I did. I was 18, 19 years old when I got my first license, coach license. I started coaching with 17 years old, little boys there in my neighborhood, little by little growing until I started to realize that football could be my life, could be the way that I live, the way that I managed to be the person that I am right now.